Welcome to my overview of one of the most hyped anti-aging products, copper peptides. I'm going to break down what it is, the science behind it, and the products worth considering. Copper peptides are protein fragments that bind to copper ions. The most well-known is GHK-CU, also known as copper tripeptide 1. It naturally occurs in human plasma, saliva, and skin, and plays a crucial role in tissue repair. Once bound to copper, these copper peptides signal the skin to activate repair genes and create a more youthful environment. Looking at the benefits, copper peptides directly stimulate fibroblasts, the cells responsible for producing collagen and elastin. Studies show that GHK-CU directly stimulates the production of collagen types 1 and 3, the kinds that decline with age, and improve skin elasticity. Secondly, copper peptides may enhance wound healing. In wound healing models with rats, GHK-CU injections increase collagen type 1 and accelerated tissue repair. This is why copper peptides are often recommended after microneedling, which delivers the beneficial factor deeper in the skin and accelerates the healing process. Next, copper peptides deliver powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. These include blocking the effects of free radicals, detoxifying materials, protecting against UV rays, and also protecting against liver damage. The result is less redness, calmer skin, and slower collagen degradation. Clinical trials show that copper peptides improve overall skin appearance. It produces smoother texture, more even tone, and firmer skin within 12 weeks of consistent use. Finally, GHK-CU has been shown to increase hair growth and density and enlarge hair follicle size. So overall, copper peptides boost collagen, accelerates tissue repair, calms inflammation, and visibly improves hair and skin. It does all this with excellent tolerability and very little skin irritation compared to retinoids or acids. However, when using, be sure to avoid layering copper peptides with powerful acids or vitamin C, as this low pH environment can alter the copper ions and reduce the product's effectiveness. So you can use your more powerful ingredients like vitamin C or retinoids at night and copper peptides in the morning, or you can alternate your active ingredients at night. Now for some product recommendations. In general, I'm a big fan of the products from The Ordinary and Naiad for their quality, all of which are produced under the same company. Naiad's copper amino isolate serum 3:1 is the gold standard for high-quality copper peptides, containing both 1% GHK and 1% GHK-CU for synergistic effect that absorbs quickly without irritation. Get it if you want maximum efficacy with a simple, pure formulation and don't mind the price. Next is the Ordinary Copper Peptides 1%, which is a great, more affordable entry point. Not only does this product give you the 1% GHK-CU, it also incorporates 5 other well-studied peptide technologies for a comprehensive skin treatment. It gives you real GHK-CU at a reasonable cost, perfect if you're trying copper peptides for the first time. Finally is the Naiad Copper Amino Isolate Lipid 1%, an intensive nighttime gel that uses a special fat-soluble delivery system to enhance the absorption of the copper peptides past the skin barrier and support overall hydration more than the simple serum. This comes at a more premium cost, but may also come with greater results. That's your quick overview of copper peptides. If you want more science-driven skincare breakdowns and self-improvement content, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned.